Learn Excel from Mr. Excel Podcast, episode 2226 and a half. Excel hash secret ingredient. This is going to be fun. Oz du Soleil suggested that 6 of your favorite Excel people on YouTube get together for our own version of Iron Chef. Now, here in the United States, Iron Chef was a TV show 10 years ago, and they would have 2 chefs compete, and right as they were about to make their dish, they would always unleash a secret ingredient. And the rule was that secret ingredient had to be part of the recipe. All right, so we're going to choose 4 secret ingredients chosen by Rand Between from viewer suggestions. Each video from all 6 competitors has to use all 4 ingredients as integral to the solution, not just bolted on, but then you're allowed to use all of Excel for supportive ingredients. All right, and so right now, just some crazy ideas: a slicer, the exclusive OR function, picture of a lizard, wingdings font. But we want your ideas. What would be hilarious to force all 6 of these people to have to use in a Excel video? Post your ingredient suggestions in the YouTube comments below, or just hit us up on Twitter with the hashtag #ExcelHash. This is going to be a blast. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.